Hello, I am capital letter E.
Hi, letter E. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter E.
Hi, small letter E. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the enchanting letter E. That's who I am. E, E, E. Let's say E. We are the enchanting E's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. E, E, E. Let's clap our hands to letter E.
E, E, E. Let's clap our hands to letter E.
Who are you?
Hi, I am Ebo, the enchanting, earth-shaking elephant from India.
What is this?
I start words like elephant.
The elephant is big and gray. What are these?
This is an emu. That is envelope. It is emu, tall and flat. He carries envelopes, just like that.
What are these?
These are eggplants. 1, 2, 3. These are eggplants, purple and shy.
What is that?
It is an elk. It runs all day.
What are these?
These are eagles, flying high.
What is that?
It is an elf, with long ears and a funny hat.
What do you see?
These are Easter eggs.
What are these?
These are earrings.
What numbers are these?
Number 8 and number 11. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for elk, that runs all day. E is for eagle, flying high. E is for eggplant, purple and shy. E is for eyes that help you see. E is a letter, just like me. E is for elf with a funny hat. E is for emu, tall and flat, that carries envelopes, just like that.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter E today. Eagle, elf, and elk. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late. For letter I, it will be great.